Greetings, salutations, y'all. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Yeah, happy Wednesday. How y'all doing? Is everybody all right? I'm exhausted, y'all. I am exhausted. I did not sleep well last night. My allergies for some reason have been flaring up real bad, and it's snowing right now. Like, I'm hitting the wipers now because it's snowing. I'm on my lunch break in my car, but it's snowing and my allergies are raggedy and it's just a whole mess. My tonsils swollen, just raggedy, real ghetto. But I wanted to pop in today because I've been seeing a lot of people on like Twitter and everything talking about how, you know, New Year's resolutions don't work and it's fake and all of these things. And so I wanted to pop in and talk about how New Year's resolutions can work, and they do work, but it's always dependent on you. Like, you can't just look and be like, oh, it's a new year, so I'm automatically going to change. Like, yes, you can set new intentions for yourself for the new year. I set a new intention that I wanted to come on and start vlogging again. And so that's what I did. That's what I'm doing. But you also have to set realistic goals for yourself and make them more of a lifestyle than it is like, like for diets. People always fail at diets. Like, it's a thing. And that's because a lot of people are just doing it in the moment to try to lose weight. When in reality, if you make this a lifestyle change, that's something that's going to be much more sustainable for yourself. I find that, like, just setting realistic goals for myself. Maybe I want to post 3 videos a week or 2 videos a week. So I will start vlogging and recording these videos and then upload them maybe the next day or something like that. Like, setting realistic intentions to say, hey, I'm going to do something that is attainable. Like, make your goals attainable. There's nothing wrong with having a New Year's resolution. There's nothing wrong with saying, hey, I want to set an intention to do something better, with myself than I did last year. And so, putting that notion that New Year's resolutions don't work, or, they're not accurate, or, they're not attainable, I just feel like that's not fair to yourself. It's not fair to yourself, and it's not fair to the people around you who are looking, maybe to you as a role model, or, something like that. So just set realistic intentions for yourself. If you want to start being more active, you don't necessarily have to go and hit the gym, super hard your first time out. Try, taking the stairs instead of taking the elevator, or, things like that. I find can be, much more sustainable, than just saying, oh, I'm going to go to the gym every day and cut my diet and, all of this stuff. Like, make these things more realistic. So I'm going to start taking the stairs instead of taking the elevator. I'm going to start incorporating 1 green vegetable into my diet every day. So, whether that's breakfast, lunch, dinner, I'm going to incorporate 1 green vegetable to kind of better my intake of, food. Or I want to be a writer, so I'm going to set an intention to, write maybe, a paragraph or a page or 2 pages, something like that. Make sure that you're making your goals something attainable. Don't overwhelm yourself, because I find that once we start overwhelming ourselves with things, it's very easy for us to get off track and be like, oh, I'm not able to do this, or, I don't have time for this today. It's because you didn't set a realistic intention for yourself for that day. So something really quick. This isn't going to be a long video today, guys. I am about to get ready to go back in here and finish up my work day. And I'm waiting on DoorDash to bring my food. So just wanted to pop in, say hey, drop something short for the day. If you guys have any ideas about content, if you have questions or anything, leave them in the comments. I love, reading you guys' comments and, interacting with you all. So I'm going to get back in here before this snow continues to build up here. But you guys have a great day. Be safe. I love you. And remember, nobody is better at you than you are.